With a table consisting of multiple rows of similar data, you may need to manipulate the data by looping through the table one row at a time. This tutorial will demonstrate how to use a looping behavior to extract data from each table row and place it into an order summary field. By copying all the table data into a single input field, it would then be possible to pass that into a notification message or other places. Although you wouldn't always need to do it this way, I will demonstrate the logic by placing it on a copy button. I've already started with a set field command to clear any data in the summary field. After that, we have a set table rows command. This command is used explicitly with table objects and has several different functions. Use this command to add rows, delete rows, and, as we will do today, move the focus to specific rows in the table. There are also more advanced table functions, but they are outside the scope of this tutorial. These two commands give us a starting point with the order summary field blank and the first row of the table selected. The next step would be to copy the data from that first row of the table into the order summary field. Use a set field command to do this. We must be aware that for each row of data in the table, we will add this to whatever is already in the summary field. We also need to add a new line into the value so that the next time a row's data is added, it will be on a new line in the order summary field. The first row of data is copied, so we need to shift the focus to the next row in the table. We again use the set table rows command to do this. At some point in the looping behavior, we will reach the last row of data in the table. At that point, we need to exit the loop and can do this by simply checking if it is possible to move the focus to the next row. Use a simple branch command with the special condition of last command was successful. If this condition is true, there was another row of data in the table, so we can loop back to the set field that copies the current row data. This will be the true path from the simple branch command. If the condition is false, there wasn't another row of data, so the loop can end. We can leave this as it is, or we might want to add a show message command to alert the user that all data is copied. Let's test the behavior in preview mode. We'll enter a few rows of data and then hit the copy button to see the table data copied. It's important to be aware that looping behavior like this takes a little time to run. So doing this with a table of many rows of data can be a relatively slow function.